The United States Bill of Rights, the preamble to the Bill of Rights. Congress of the United States, begun and held at the city of New York on Wednesday, the 4th of March, 1789. The Convention of the number of the states having at the time of their adopting of the Constitution expressed a desire, in order to prevent misconstruction of the abuse of its powers, that further declaratory and restrictive clauses should be added, and as extending to the ground of public confidence in the government, will best ensure the benefit ends of its institution. Resolved by the Senate and the House of Representatives of the United States of America, in Congress assembled, 2/3 of both houses concurring, that the following articles be proposed to the legislature of the several states as amendments to the Constitution of the United States, all or any of which articles, when ratified by 3/4 of the said legislatures, to be valid to all intents and purposes as part of the said Constitution, viz. Articles in addition to and amendments of the Constitution of the United States of America proposed by Congress and ratified by the legislature of the several states pursuant to the fifth article of the original Constitution. And there's a note. The following text is a transcript of the first 10 amendments of the Constitution in their original form. These amendments were ratified on December 15, 1791, and form what is known as the Bill of Rights. Amendment 1. Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion, or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedoms of speech or of the press, or the right of people peaceably assembled to assemble and to petition the government for a redress of grievances. Amendment 2. Amendment 2. A well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. Amendment 3. No soldier shall in time of peace be quartered in any house without the consent of the owner, nor in time of war, but in a manner prescribed by law. Amendment 4. The right of the people to secure in their the right of the people to be secure in their persons and houses and the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrant shall issue but upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the places to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. Amendment number 5. No person shall be held to answer for a capital or otherwise infamous crime unless on petition or indictment of a grand jury, except in cases arising in the land or naval forces or in the militia, when in actual service in time of war or public danger. Nor shall any person be subject for the same offense to be put twice in jeopardy of life or limb, nor shall be compelled in any criminal case to bear witness against himself, nor be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. Nor shall private property be taken for public use without just compensation. Amendment number 6. In all criminal prosecutions, the accused shall enjoy the right to a speedy and public trial by an impartial jury of the state and district wherein the crime shall have been committed, which district shall have been previously ascertained by law, and to be informed of the nature and cause of the accusation, to be confronted with the witnesses against him, to have compulsory process for obtaining witnesses in his favor, and to have assistance of counsel for his defense. Amendment number 7. In suits of common law where the value in controversy shall exceed $20, the right of trial by jury shall be preserved, and no fact tried by jury shall be otherwise re-examined in any court of the United States than according to the rules of the common law. Amendment number 8. Excessive bail shall not be required, nor excessive fines imposed, nor cruel and unusual punishments inflicted. Amendment 9. The enumeration in the Constitution of certain rights shall not be construed to deny or disparage others retained by the people. Amendment 10. The powers not delegated to the United States by the Constitution or prohibited by it to the states are reserved to the states respectively, or to the people.